What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, more of a vlog. Today's one of those days where it's a happy and sad day. Happy because for you guys, because we got a lot of stuff in stock, and sad for me because my bank account is low. I have a couple of boxes, they're all from different places and they're all different stuff. Not all of them are clippers, but I am excited for some of them because we do have some of the new Babblet stuff inside. I'm gonna let the camera choose what box we should open first, so go ahead. This one? Alright, let's see what they have in here. This one's nicely taped. Look at that. That's at least $5 worth of tape right here. It's a whole roll, man. Let's see. Yeah, these boxes, something looks like it leaked over here though. So let's make sure everything's good. Ooh, a leakage for show. What is this stuff? Oh, of course. We got a bunch of blade care in. This box is like, should open it the other way, maybe. Yeah, there's a lot of Marmara, Barber Marmara in there. And what is this in here that's covered? Oh, nothing? Wow. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blade care washes. We got that. What's in here? Nothing. Just to fill up the box pretty much. Alright, let's see what we got in this little Marmara box. Alright, so we got a lot of the popular shaving gels, which look like this. Smells really good too. Just like the popular cologne aftershave that's out in the market. If you guys have not tried this, then what is you doing? You guys should definitely give those a shot. They smell really good. Like, I think I'll write my code somewhere there so that way you guys can check it out on the website. I think it's worth it and you guys should try it. Alright, let's see what this one has. Looking for something a little bit more exciting because I already have a bunch of that stuff. This one looks like something leaked on it, so I guess we'll see. Oh, of course, all the leakage stuff is the stuff with all the blade care in it. Yes, yes, yes. It's been a while since we had some of this stuff. During COVID, this stuff was like gold, man. Right now, it's still somewhat gold, I guess. That's one box right there, as you guys can see. Alright, camera. They're going kind of in order now. Alright, so let's open this one. They kind of put a bunch of empty boxes on stuff, so it's kind of like a cushion for stuff not to break. So, alright, this is a good one right here. Let's pick it out. This is kind of fun though. I get to see a lot of stuff, a lot of random stuff we get. So these are going to be Babyless aprons. What do you guys think about these? I think they're pretty fire, especially for like the price point. They're like 25 bucks, 25 bucks range. Go check it out if you guys need some of that. What's this? Oh, okay, we got like a little case of copper replacement foils. A couple of Slick Gorillas. Texturizing spray, or powder, I mean. That's another box. So let's see what else we got. It's kind of like a somewhat of a small restock, but it's a good one. A good little one. We got the purple ones this time, which is, these are like probably like 2 popular ones. It smells really good too. Oh yeah, gotta have some of that Dragon Noir. Not everybody likes all that cologne-y stuff, and so you gotta go with somewhat of the old school stuff. Whew, I'm already freaking hot. So that's another box right there, guys. Alright, what's next? This one, I picked it up from the other shop, so we got a few more of these, and I think we have more on the way. What's this? Is this a new one? It's hard to open. Oh no, this is just purple one. Are they all the same? It's like almost they're shipping me drugs, guys. Look at that. Little kilos here and there. But we're expecting a new color, a new scent for the Marmara, which I think is gonna be really good. Yes. We got a lot of neck dispensers in stock now. These kind of go pretty quick. Some of the Derby Premiums, for those of you who haven't tried them, highly recommend these. I use these myself. Alright, so you guys get the gist on that one. That's all that one kind of has. Oh, someone placed an order. Thank you guys. Appreciate that a lot. Let's check who placed an order, guys. So hot. They got me working like a slave over here. Thank you, Roy Vasquez, who ordered 2 things. Much love, man. Thank you so much. Really means a lot. Roy Vasquez. Thank you, man. So in this one, I think this is gonna be our newest item yet. We have not had these before, but I'm excited to share with you guys the unboxing. Not just the unboxing of a box, I mean, or a clip or a trim or a shaver, but a whole freaking case. Yay. So let's do this. This is gonna be the FX3s. How do you take this out? Alright, let me see. There we go. Gotta put a little can of man to it. But finally got the FX3s in stock. If you guys have some already, and let me know how you guys like it. If you're ready to buy one of these and be on the Fabulous team, check out our website. We'll be shipping these bad boys out, and we'll probably have some available for Colorado if you guys are going. Stop by our booth. So that's a whole case of these. These are actually pretty cool. They have a little LCD display for battery wise. Such a weird box size for like a few. Oh yeah, you guys already see that. Look at that. Beautiful packaging somewhat. Woo! These are the trimmers. I still don't understand why these things have a huge ass box, but it looks dope anyways. These are the Babyliss Pro FX3s. They look pretty cool, right? Match them up with the shaver. These will be available on our website as well. If you guys want any, check it out. My discount code will be there as well. That way, you know, showing some love to you guys for showing love to us and our channel and our website really means a lot. So I want to help you guys as much as I can. Shoot me a message and let's do business, baby. So my memory was full, so I had to delete a couple stuff that I forget to delete all the time. But we Gucci now, so let's get it. Let's go. Oh yeah, we got some more neck dusters in stock. Got a little case of those. These are pretty popular, super soft. A lot of people like these. Yes, it is. Another case of neck dusters. Wow, what's this? It feels empty yet. Like it has something in here. Oh yeah. Atomizer sprays for the Marmara aftershave. These are pretty interesting and they're pretty cool. We got a bunch of these in. I think these are a great addition to any of your Marmara spray. Let me show you guys a little example of how one works, and this is just how it works. Pretty cool, right? Alright guys, so a bunch of miscellaneous stuff that I see already. We have some Derby blades. Pretty popular, super cheap. We got some GTX blades. Some Masters blades. Probably, you know, combo this up with some seniors, you know, and some filthy mod brackets for you guys to purchase. So look out for that. And I think that's it that's in here. The fun part, putting all the stuff away, we finally got some of the new blades too from Babyliss, the DLC 2.0 blades, the one that comes with the influencer trimmers. I heard a lot of people really like these. I personally have not tried them myself, but yeah, that's the DLC blade right here. You guys can hear it crunch and all that good stuff. Here, hold this blade. Thank you. And then this flat top comb is the ones I really recommend for a lot of you guys who are struggling with clipper over comb. Check this out on our website. It's the Utsumi comb, $2.99. You guys can read that right there. Check it out on our website. This will definitely help you guys out. Alright guys, so we're gonna end the day pretty much with shipping out orders. We've got quite some orders to do. This is not all of them. We still have a lot more to do. We have a long night ahead of us. I'm gonna show you guys what people kind of ordering. All right, guys, let's take a look at some of the orders so far that we're working on. My handsome young hunk over here, putting into work. So somebody's just ordered an Andes GTX, Nishman texturizing powder, disposable blades. They got the stickers, order information right there. Let's see what cool stuff they ended up getting. Some dope. He must be an off-white fan, right? It's pretty sick. These are clipper holders, by the way, if you guys did not know. Got somebody else's orders. They got a little designer cape. Pretty cool. Little neck duster. Next one, they got a nano mister. And a cape. Small order over here. But support is support. They got the metal gold lever for their walls. And it even comes with a little piece right there. Cool little purchase. Another small order for red premium guards. Another order for white premium guards. And a mister. These are super cool. It comes with like a power bank and everything. This is another order. We got a little Valiant brush. My son's in the background with his orders. Oh, look at all those orders, man. I think about 20 more orders. So we got a long night ahead of us, y'all. A very long night. It's exciting though. This is the moments we live for. Huh, babe? This is the moments we live for. Staying busy, grinding, and taking care of all you guys. So let's get it.